sorry for that.
Oh,
Please.
Ruth.
Please, I'm sorry for that. Please.
It's okay.
Please.
It's okay.
Mommy, please.
The woman you see here is Doris Ogala pretending to cry. It was on this day that the entire case of baby testimony was destroyed. Let me let you watch the full video so that you can have a little bit of context, and I'll explain in detail.
Reaction.
Mommy, please, I'm sorry for that.
Oh,
Please.
Ruth.
Please, I'm sorry for that. Please.
It's okay.
Please.
It's okay.
Mommy, please.
Give me the phone. Ruth.
Please.
Tell me what happened again. Look at your children. Look at your son. Triumph. Look at your son. Look at your son. Ruth.
This was at Transcorp Hotel in Abuja. This is the day they arrived at the hotel. So this lady is Ruth Matthew. To those of you who do not know Ruth Matthew, that is her condition. She can't walk. All her life she's been on a wheelchair. She's the mother of the missing baby. Testimony. The earlier video you watched, that was her interrogating Ruth and her children. That was the day she was forcing them, accusing them of having sold their own child. You can see the little boys crying. You can see even Ruth Matthew crying, pleading with her, as if she had done anything wrong. The only wrong Ruth Matthew did was to mix her statements here and there. But the truth that has always been constant is her child was abducted. That has never changed. Doris Ogala was capitalizing on the fact that this grieving mother, at some point, she was not consistent with her story because of many factors. And those inconsistencies, those small inconsistencies, is what they put together and gave to the court. To conclude that Ruth Matthew is lying about the missing baby. It's very sad that we have women like Doris in our society. I don't know how she sleeps at night, knowing that there's a kid out there who's roaming in a world without knowing who his parents are, who his mother is, who his brothers are, simply because someone wanted 45 million naira. 45 million naira that she has probably finished by now. But the baby is still suffering wherever that he is. The boy still longs to be with his parents, with his brothers. The mother still cries out even today that she wants to be reunited with her son. The brothers are forever calling out for the release of their brother.